going to share with you my Pamper skincare routine for oily skin. This is definitely not like my routine that I do on an everyday basis. Absolutely not. It makes me feel so good getting rid of all the gunk. Even though I highly recommend these products, please always do your research. These products work for me, they might not work for you. I just came out of the shower, that's why I still have my towel on, so my face is nice and clean. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. So the first thing I'm going to do, like I said, this is a Pamper routine, so we're gonna go like all out. Face is all clean, but I'm still, just in case, I'm gonna take a little cotton round, and I'm gonna use this micellar water, and this one specifically like for oily skins, combination to oily. It's paraben free and alcohol free, dermatologist tested. It's really good. It comes in different colors, so if you're dry, they sell one for dry, for sensitive. Even though my face is clean, just in case, I'm just gonna take this, feel any residue when you put this on. Doesn't like over dry your skin. This is a peel off mask, gold collagen, and it says whitening, anti-wrinkle. I don't use it for the anti-wrinkle. This stuff, once you use it, and I'll put links to as many of the products that I can down in the description. This product, if you're super sensitive, then I wouldn't recommend this that much. I love to put this first before anything because this is gonna get rid of all the dead skin. I love the color. It's like a nice gold color. You're gonna feel so nice. And I'm gonna show you right now. So it's like a gold color. Just look at that. And I'm just gonna put it all over. Just be careful you don't put this like around any hairs because literally it'll rip it off. This is really like giving me back that baby skin. Another thing I do want to add before I forget, even though you guys say like, oh Jen, you have flawless skin, your skin is so beautiful, I just want to say my face is far from flawless, like far from. I've suffered from acne for so many years, and even if you can't see it on camera, I have so many like acne scars. My face is full of acne scars. I have a lot of like little holes which are called ice pick scars, and I did do a video showing you about my Bella fillers to try to just make that area look nicer. But yeah, my face is far from flawless, guys. I think I have a nice thick layer there. Really don't go on my forehead. It's like different now than the rest of my face, like not clogged. Here I'm full of like, I know it's nasty, but it's like clogged. It's very clogged. I have whiteheads, blackheads, all of that. Not really like in my forehead. That's why like when I break out in my forehead or something, I mean now, when I was like younger, I would break out everywhere, literally. But now, like my forehead doesn't break out that much. So if I break out there, I know I did something. Like it's either something I ate, a product I used. That's how I know. This again is gonna stay on my face, I'd say about 15 minutes until it's completely dry, and it's a peel off. I love peel offs. You're really gonna see, like, it's not black, so you're not really gonna see a lot. Put like a flashlight or something on the mask and you're gonna see all that dead skin. I'll be back so we can peel this off. Okay, so this is feeling pretty dry right now, and this is the most satisfying part ever. Face might look red, because like I said, it's really gonna pull all that dead skin out. But there's a lot of like peel off masks that are like super gentle, and that's okay, but they're not really like taking out all that gunk. This is not good to use like in an everyday basis. That's why like this whole routine I do like once every 2 weeks or once a week, depending how nasty I'm feeling. But I love this mask. Oh my god. You can just look at your mask and just see everything that just came out, all the nasty stuff. You still have some pieces, you can go ahead and wash your face. Now remember, I am doing a deep cleanse now, so I'm going all out here. And my nose is where I have the most blackheads, and they're very visible, like if I don't have makeup. Pore charcoal pore strips. I love them. They have some that they sell for more parts, not just like the nose, And I'm gonna use this, and I love these in black because you can really see all the gunk. This is what it looks like. Okay, so let's take this. This part is not sticky whatsoever. So you take it like this. This is the part that you stick on here, but you're not just gonna stick it there. You have to like damp your nose like a lot. This is basically water. Wet my nose like really well. You really have to wet it, or go to the sink and really wet it and apply this. Now the thing with this, so it fits properly, it has like these little what do you say, cuts here, and you see, and that I wasn't doing that before. I was literally like just applying it, and you really have to do this so it really sticks properly. I'm really gonna make sure my nose is really wet, and also do it like in this area too. I'm gonna put this on top and really press it in. Make sure it's nice and flat. I'm telling you, my nose needs extra help. So I'm gonna use this Precision Beauty, it doesn't have to be this brand, gold under eye pads. And my under eyes really need hydration, especially because I'm bad and I forget to put my under eye cream every day. While this is drying, this is just gonna purify, hydrate, refresh, renew under the eyes, what they look like. Take one and just put it right there. Just be careful. Right there under the eye. This is like pretty big. It fit. This stings a little, so just be careful if you're sensitive. There's some that really fit much better, like the shape, but these are the ones I had at the moment. While this is drying, let me read just a little about this. It says, firm, hydrate, and help restore delicate skin with these gold infused Korean under eye pads. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the eye pads. Just clean. Now for the nose strip, we are going to start from the bottom and just pull. Just gonna clean this. It's extremely satisfying to see all this yucky stuff. This is really gonna give us a deep cleanse. If you're oily, you've probably used this before because this is amazing. It's been around for so long. And it's the Mint Julep Mask, and this is for oily and acne prone skin. It feels so amazing. Green, it's nice and thick. Just love this. You might feel a sensation. It does have like menthol. Of course, if you're super sensitive, be careful. Read the ingredients, do research. Try it on a small area first. I don't like to put anything that's very drying like on my forehead, because what really needs it for my skin is like this area here. My forehead is very oily too, but I don't want to put anything that's like too dry. Like if you have spots, this is so good, like to dry it up. An original all-time favorite green mask instantly absorbs excess oil, extracts impurities, and helps minimize the appearance of pores. Definitely, it really like shrinks your pores. Leave this for 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes and we will clean this up. So I just took off that green mask, and your face should be feeling so good and clean. But I wet this shirt. We totally like stripped our skin because we did a deep cleanse of the pores, unclogging all that. Now we have to like balance our skin again, because if we leave it like this, you're gonna produce so much oil. Use a facial spray. This one is from Mario Badescu. I use two, the rose water and the cucumber and green tea. So this is the one I have. This is just a small size. I'm just gonna take this. It's gonna feel so refreshing. The scent is so nice and soft. Made sure to spray around my neck too. Just let that dry. Not oily. It's not gonna give you an oily residue. It's like just water with cucumber. Green tea is really nice. Start looking to see what moisturizer do I want to put, and it depends if it's like night or in the daytime. A video showing you like my favorite moisturizer. For my forehead, I like to use something that's more like rich moisturizing, but that's not gonna like break me out either. So again, this works for me to alternate really. So today I'm gonna use this one from Lancome. This is just a small version, and this is the Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate, it's called. So it just has a little dropper. So I just take some on my forehead like this, and I just spread this nicely. Before I move on to the rest of my face, I like to take my jade roller. Remember, this is a pamper routine. This is not what I do every day. So I like to take my jade roller. This is so good. It feels so cooling. It's gonna like drain all the toxins from your face. There are certain ways that you're supposed to roll it, not just like back and forth everywhere. You have certain like drainage points, I believe it's called, like around your ear and then here. Put it like in the fridge too, so it's nice and cool. Even if you don't, it's usually nice and cool. So I just like to take whatever moisturizer, and where I start from the middle and just like work it towards that drainage point, so all those toxins like leave. It helps with like puffiness, with like circulation. This is amazing. So usually if I don't have time, I just put my moisturizer and that's it. For the rest of my face, I'm going to use something more mild, and this is, again, I alternate all the time with my moisturizers and serums. So I'm going to use today this one from Peter Thomas Roth, and this is a Hungarian thermal water mineral rich moisturizer. It's like water based. I love water based for oily skin. It's just a small one. They do sell it like the full size. So I'm just going to take that, a nice amount like this, and just put it on the rest of my face. Work it also around the neck, and then just work it up. So I do want to mention this one. This is a vitamin C cream, and it's oil free. It's an oil free moisturizer. I don't die for the scent, but it's really good. Like vitamin C on your face is so good. This is what it looks like. This is by Avalon Organics. To take the jade roller again, and just you do this on your face by sections. I mean, you use it however you like. Just if you want to do your research on how to use it properly. It's going to take the small side of the jade roller and just, this feels amazing. This is like almost everybody's favorite part. It just feels so cooling under the eye. Balance the skin again. Is not super dry, is not super oily. The lips, can't forget the lips. I love to use anything like medicated, so I'm gonna use this Blistex usually for the night, because in the day it leaves like white. Any of the medicated one, Blistex, Carmex, whatever the name is. Your skin is gonna look so beautiful and plump. It's just the best. So I hope you enjoyed my pamper routine, and hopefully one of these products work for you if you try them out. Definitely do more skincare videos, as I know you guys request them and like them. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.